Okay, so this is how the electrical thing works so far as I understand. That's the main EC pole. It's tapped to here, and they normally link it to that shackle thing there. So that comes through, and then they give you a meter, and the meter is closed. So basically, all you need to do now is you just come, you buy your prepaid, and you tap it, and you don't really go in there. So this thing is tamper proof, and that's how they check for you, right? So when that comes in, that goes into the meter. This is in layman's terms, right? And then from there, it goes to this one, it goes to that one, and then it connects a link from here, and it goes to all the other meters. It continues, right? Okay. Now this one here, then after that, after it goes to the meter, it goes back up there, and now it goes into the main switch, right? So depending on, and then it goes into the main switch. So this will connect to the switch, and then it's down the cable. So basically, the wire from out there now goes into your switches, and your switch and then now all your plugs and sockets and everything is linked to the switch, which is linked to the earth on the back, which is linked, and then you can switch your lights off, you on them, you can switch your, sorry, there's so much noise from here, so I don't know if you lot can hear me. So now they decided to do, they put the three together here, and then they put the three together on the other side, right? So basically, one phase is linking from the pole here, and another phase is linking from that pole to this side to serve this tray, and this one serves this tray here. What I haven't worked out is why they need to link together. Why they need to link together? Why does these three need to link up to these three? They don't need to link. So basically, there's not going to be any wire linking. Oh, okay.
The one I'm talking about is coming to that rubber band.
It's coming to this rubber band for this store. Right. So every single one is linking to their main switch inside. So basically, they're just going to link this third one to the store here. So where's the second one's link? Oh, this is going to link here as well.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
The one that comes in main one
Yeah.
comes to this one,
Yeah.
then bam, then bam. And then that's the fly.
Yeah.
And then everyone has one that goes to the indoors.
Yeah.
So this one goes
Go
there.
to that one.
This one is coming here.
Yeah.
And this
that one is going to the far
up
side.
there. Yeah.
Right.
So whatever is done here,
It didn't reach, did it?
it was short. That's what he's done.
And why is that behind in there? Oh, they're going to link that to that one.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, they're not. They're gonna take it out and put a new one in.
Okay.
They have to.
Yeah, because they can't join them.
No. But that's why they haven't connected in there.
Okay.
They haven't connected in there.
Right. Okay. Yeah, so really, that should join to that. Okay. It's okay. So either way, so why wouldn't they split it up so that they're all close to each other? So why wouldn't they split it up?
Split what?
Why wouldn't they put? Okay, it doesn't have to be close, but either way, the wire, yeah, they added, they will have to add a new wire.
Yeah.
To this one.
Yeah.
It's going from here
Yeah.
all the way down there.
Yeah.
So why wouldn't they put it next to a meter to make it easier so that they don't have to?
Same thing in it. Either you put it
Yeah.
this way for the load, or you put it for the coming in.
Either way, you're still gonna need a long wire to kind of do it anyway.
But I don't understand what they've done there. I don't understand this. Unless they've done a join.
They did a join in between.
They've done a join here. But you you can join this and then use this. So because everything here is split in it,
Yeah.
it's using the same incoming.
Okay.
So that way, so yeah, they've done a join in the two, and then one goes in.
Okay. So they put two together,
Yeah.
join in one, put together, join in one,
Yeah.
like this one here.
Yeah.
And then when they finish, they'll give us our prepaid.
Cards.
Yeah.
Okay.
So then when you're ready to use it, then you tap that.
Yeah.